Make sure I can just put it on anyway. Alright, okay. This should be the AI that nope. That say that the data is in a CSV file. I don't wanna waste shoot. If it was anything else like HTML, I would just write it in, but with Python and the indentations and stuff like that, I just get confused. I let the AI that take care of all the indentation of my code. And I want to go to RSA output 4. Okay, the data is in a CSV file called RSA output. RSA dot, or it should be under slash output dot CSV. Okay, and I'm gonna do that. Okay. And basically, I would just go to each script and just copy, paste it to the next script. Let me grab some more things. So I did, I think, one last time, so I can have a bigger script, or bigger CSV file. Oh shoot! It would take my last previous one away. Let me name this one. Run. Okay. Okay. Should have ran. Where's my code? Did it? Oh, it must have been doing it the whole time. What did I start with now? Why didn't it run? Okay. Let me just do it again. I did 5. Uh huh. That wasn't enough data. Okay, let's run it a couple times. And that's a couple hundred times. Okay, and no, there we go. Okay, let me just copy that. Run. I won't, oh shoot, what line would that be? 8,102. 8,102. Okay, boom, save. Okay, now I should bring on the AI. Copy. That's it. Oh yeah, this is the tokenization. I'm sorry. Tokenize. Tokenize. Should I never run it over under the name like that? Toke hack. Only time I don't do that because sometimes naming conventions like that could just run a whole different other script that you didn't want to run, or and just completely mess things up. I can't remember what I did that one time, and it was just a mess. So I would not do that again. Hack.py. Okay, let's tokenize that. What in the world? What the hell? Shit up. Shit. What in the? Oh. Hmm? Did I run the right script? Toke hack. Why didn't it output full .csv file? Okay, I had the wrong file. No file and output to a new file. It's nice data. Okay, let that run. Okay. Script should be done. Copy contents. Let's look a little more broader script. That should work. That's what I just did, right? No. Put it over here to output run. Okay, hack. Run. Run that. See what we get. This is not tokenized. Wow. Where did not tokenize it? That's not right. And it did not take the whole script. Did I tokenize the right script? Wow. Hmm. Nope. Go here. Go here. Output. Okay. Okay. First and foremost, it did not do what I wanted to do. This tokenization would take a little bit longer if I wanted to do it correctly. It didn't even tokenize anything. First, it didn't tokenize anything, and another thing is it didn't put the bigger numbers. It didn't read the whole script. And binary, what is that? Oh, okay, it was. I think it's. Okay, let me just. But I will understand the data more, like where I could probably add a tokenized zero somewhere and make it work somehow instead of trying to do it this way with the NAND value because I don't think Claude even understand what a NAND is at this point. Okay, see, put this here to tokenize hack. Now let's try to run it again. Okay, they're not working. I know I said before the video we was gonna be able to uh, hack inscription, but I guess we didn't make it in time. And that 1 hour is up, about 8 minutes. But I showed you guys the way to do it. And if you guys want to become trillionaires, watch these videos over and over and just keep pushing to try to decrypt inscription. And that's not saying that you was going to steal people data or steal people money, but I know them companies are paying top dollars for people to figure out ways to hack it so it don't get hacked in the future. Okay. Okay, let me copy this and see if this works before I shut this down. Wow. Why only do 5,000 lines? Why don't do the whole script? I don't know. Yeah, it looked like it's not working. So I'm gonna peace.